Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning students. How are you this morning? Alhamdulillah, I am fine. Thank you. And you? Alhamdulillah, I am fine too. Okay students, in term 4 we will study about let's go to the waterfall. These are kinds of tourist destinations. This the picture of Mandagiri temple. And beside of Mandagiri temple, this is Bambang swimming pool. Okay, the other of tourist destinations are Bambang beach, Kapas Biru waterfall, bamboo forest, eating for trees. Okay students, the other tourist destinations are Kertowonot Tea Plantation, Alun-Alun Lumajang Town Square, Antrukan Waterfall, and Tetes Cave. These are tourist destinations in Lumajang. Mount Semeru. Mount Semeru is the highest mount in Java. And then Watu Godek Beach, Puncak P29, and Lake Kelakah. Okay, the other lake in Lumajang are Lake Pedali and Lake Kumbolo. Okay students, now we will study about useful expressions. In this useful expression, we will study about asking about holidays experience and answering the question about holiday. Asking about holidays experience, for example, how was your holiday? Bagaimana liburanmu? And the answer, the question about holiday are, you can answer by, kalian bisa menjawab dengan, my holiday was great. I went to Bali. It was awesome. It was boring. I did not go anywhere. I was great. We went to Tumpak Sewu Waterfall. It was fun. We went to Bamboo Forest. Okay students, now we will study about the situations happened in the past time. For example, yesterday, last night, last year, last month, last week, and last Sunday. Okay students, now please attention my sentences. Okay, I will read for you. My holiday was great. The students were lazy last year. Mother was sick yesterday. You were sad last night. The underlined words are called to be. To be was and were are used for situation happened in the past. I am. In the past, we say I was. He is, he was. She is, she was. You are, you were. We are, we were. They are, they were. Untuk subjek yang tunggal kita pakai was. And untuk subjek yang jamak kita pakai were. Okay, students, we have studied about this term 4. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye. See you. Nice to meet you.